Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to change the language you speak on the Busuu app on your phone. If you want to practice a new language or update your current language settings, this video will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Busuu app on your phone. Next, click on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the option labeled I Speak. After that, tap on I Speak. A list of languages will appear. Select the language you currently speak from this list. Make sure to choose the correct language so that the app can provide the best learning experience for you. Finally, click on Continue to save your changes. Your profile is now updated with the new language you speak, and you can continue learning or practicing your language skills smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching and enjoy learning with Busuu.